channel. I realized that I never did a proper intro to the video, so this is future me doing the intro. So today I am going to take you guys through a very productive and fun day in my life. I actually went out of my home after 7 months. Like not went out wala, but like to chill and meet one of my friends. So I just thought of taking you guys along with me. Well, I went out for some work as well that you will know in a bit, and yeah, so basically I did a lot of things in the whole day. It was a very productive one. So without any further ado, let's just get into the vlog. Hey, good morning. So I just woke up about a couple of minutes ago. It's about 10 a.m. and I have to do some of the work before going out. I'm going out today finally. So I have some work to do and some breakfast. So I'm just gonna go and make my breakfast now, and then I'll take you along with all the work that has to be done before going out. And yeah, let's go. So the breakfast is a pretty unhealthy one. I'm having some mayo toast with some coffee. Coffee is pretty less because I have drank some of it, but yeah, that is my breakfast for today. So I had to do some packing of some of the orders that have to go out today. If you guys don't know, I do sell some stuff as well, some handmade stuff. So this is one of them. These are little photo holders. And yeah, one more thing that you might be able to see on my Instagram now is that I have just launched my own store. You can check it out on my Instagram page. I will link it on the screen and in the description as well, so you can go and check out some handmade stuff. I am also launched a new product today. By the time this video goes out, that product will be launched, so you can go and get your hands on that. It is pretty affordable and you know, pretty cute. So yeah, this is the way I was just packing some of the orders that had to go out today, and one of the orders is of my friend whom I'm meeting today, so I'm gonna give it her myself, and others have to be posted. So yeah, that is what I had to do before leaving the house, so I just kept doing that for some time. The most important thing in Corona: sanitizer and some gloves. Though these gloves are not mine, actually they are of my father's. That is why they were a little too big for me. But I just had to deal with whatever I had at that time. I am so happy coming back to my hometown. I just I know that these streets are pretty small, but I really enjoy such atmosphere. I'm really happy coming back to my hometown and finally meeting my friend who is also here because of the lockdown. So yeah, I'm happy. Those of you don't know, I love pizza. I am mad for pizza, but only from Domino's. I'm sorry for the people who love Pizza Hut, but I just can't love anything more than Domino's. And I finally had a pizza after such a long time. Nee, I'm not doing anything to you. Hi, Mansi. Shut up. Guys, I found the cutest little section. I just wanted to buy everything from here. It's so cute and pretty. I just want to find a place in my house to keep them, and then I'll definitely buy it. And we did some shopping here. Say hi. Hi. I just reached home. I took a bath and I'm all sanitized and clean now, and I went out after a long time, so I'm pretty happy also. But now is the time for workshop. I am actually doing a calligraphy workshop which I announced some days back on my Instagram. So we have a bunch of enthusiastic people, so I will just go and prep for the workshop now. Okay, so we are here. We have a bunch of stuff. I'm so sorry for all these noises, but we have a bunch of stuff. These are the yesterday's workshop notes. Then we have some sketch pens lying around here. Do you remember this sketch pen that we used to see in childhood? This smells so nice. I still love the sketch pen so much. So yeah, we have a bunch of notes, some more pens to show in the workshop, and that is my iPad. I'm just gonna be live with this one, and also this little clamp that I'm gonna use to put my phone on so that the participants can just see the paper directly with the phone. So yeah, we are done with the setup, so let's get into the workshop. And by the way, I have polo also. After so long, my father got this to me and I'm so happy to eat this. I really love polo. One of my best friends loves polo so much. Say hi guys. Hi. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अपने पेन्स निकालो, पेपर निकालो. एंड प्रैक्टिस किया है सबने कि नहीं किया? वैसे ये मैं वीडियो से अलग पूछ रही हूँ. किया है? ओके ग्रेट. ठीक है, सो मैं बस ये फिक्स करती हूँ ऊपर एंड वील स्टार्ट इन अ सेकेंड. ठीक है, लेट्स गो. Okay, so guys, just wrapped up with the workshop. Extremely tired now. I really want to rest. I had a great session though. It was such a great time. Very enthusiastic people. We practiced a lot. We learned a lot. And yeah, now I'm going to show you that I went outside and I did a little shopping. So I'll show you what I got for me. So I got some clothes. 3 t-shirts that I got. I really wanted these t-shirts from a long time, so I just bought that. And the good part is this. I got something very nice. I'll show you. I'll give you a peek. I got nail paints. Come out. Yeah. So these are the colors that I got. I got matte shades for myself. I was eyeing these shades for such a long time now. And I finally have them. Now my nails will be lucky enough to have some nail paint on. So yes, that's my shopping. Okay, so we are done with the shoot. Actually, I didn't tell you guys, I think. Yeah, so basically I had to do this one shoot for one of my video. So I just got dressed. Even after being so tired, I was like, chalo, let's do it. So I did the shoot and I brought this t-shirt and I wore it today. It says Paradise. I really like it a lot. So yeah, I am done with that now, and now I'm gonna change. I'm gonna remove these lenses finally, and then I'm going to give you a little tour of a very special place in my room. Starting, I just want to say right here that don't freak out with all the stationery that I'm going to show you. But I just got this rack recently, and I think I'm going to show you in one of my future haul videos. Ya fir wo haul aa chuka hoga, I'm not sure. But yeah, so basically I got this rack to organize my stationery in a much pleasing way that I thought. And abhi मैं जो दिखाऊंगी, please इसको ये मत सोचना कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लिया. And I'm not encouraging you to buy. I have collected this over years and through some collaborations. So yeah, let's just get into it. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. I got this big rack. The first section has all of my acrylic colors, inks, and some more. Next section is the watercolor and gouache section. This is the gouache. This is that table organizer we made together. I will link that video too if you want to make such an organizer. Okay, so we have this. The next section has a bunch of pens. पीछे थोड़े बहुत pens हैं. If you want, I can give you a tour someday. पूरा detail में भी. Just let me know in the comments below. This is a little random right now because it has a random sketchbooks. Then we have a sketchbook corner. These are thoda chotu sketchbooks. ये थोड़ा random papers. These are also sketchbooks. And then we have some more sketchbooks. I got this proper wheels wala almirah, and I really like how my stationery is organized now. It is really nicely organized and I can just reach out to any stuff that I want to. So yeah, that is a little preview, but don't get so much tempted that you end up buying things. And the lighting at this position in my room is really good. I just think that. Okay, so we are done for the day. I have changed. I'm in my PJs. I have my specs on and I'm so tired right now that I just want to sleep. So I'm gonna go and have dinner because I'm really hungry. And if you guys want like a separate, why do I just keep looking at myself? And if you guys want like a separate tour of this Almirah, do let me know. I would love to do that also. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I will end the vlog here now, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below if you like my content. And if you want me to make more vlogs, please leave a comment too, and also press the bell button if you don't want to miss any of my videos. Follow me on my Instagram to have more insights about me and to learn many things there. So yeah, follow me on my Instagram. There are a lot of things going on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.